how I get inspiration. Yes, what is the source of my inspiration? From where I get inspiration daily for my works, for to do hard work. So, good morning everyone. My name is Prathip and today I am here for to give and also for to talk about the inspiration. And from this video, if you watch this video till the end, then your brain will open and from everything you will get some inspiration and you will inspire yourself. Just try to understand, inspiration is very important in our life. If you are doing works for your success, for your goals, for your ambitions, then you have to do the hard work every day. You need the patience. But if you don't have motivation, if you don't have inspiration in yourself, then after a few days the work that you are doing now, it will be boring. So that's why I always say that everything is easy when you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you're lazy for it. So remember it. And now in this video is gonna be a very simple video, because in this video I am gonna talk about my inspiration. Okay, from where I get my inspiration and from where I just inspire myself. Yes, when you will understand my works, what I do for inspiration, then you will understand it very well and you also can use it for yourself. So first of all, I wanna say, as you can see me now, I am on the Nischintpur railway station. Yes, this railway station and this location is one of my favorite location for to make the videos. As you can see, when I come here, when I just entered and I see a lot of trees, greeneries, and also I feel very good and nice when I am here. So that's why I also feel and I like to make videos here. But one thing that I share with everyone, that any train does not come and go from this railway. So that's why now we are fully safe. People say that it is illegal to make videos in the railway station, we are not doing the good jobs, but it is a normal this railway station, and this railway is not prepared perfectly for the trains. So that's why after few days when it will be perfectly ready, then the trains will go from Agartala to the Bangladesh. So this thing I want to share. But now the question is the inspiration. Okay, just try to understand one thing. If you need a good inspiration in your life, then first of all you have to understand, then you can't change the people, you have to change yourself. Yes, for a little bit example, I will share a story with you. Just try to understand that once upon a time, in a very big occasion, there was a speaker. Okay, a very good speaker who also joined the occasion, and after joining there he said that I will give a little bit speech. Okay, so at that moment he just went to the occasion, and then in the middle of the occasion he took a microphone, and he just started speaking about his speech. The speech was very motivational speech, but after few times of the speech, many people they started getting boring. Okay, and also some people they leave out from the occasion. Some people they are started mocking the person, the speaker who was speaking, and then like that. But other 50% of people, they were just listening carefully, because the speech was, it's very inspiration, and also it was very motivational. So when the speech also in, the speaker he didn't try to change the people, means he did not try to say to the like the mockers and also the people who was making fun of it, he did not say anything to them, because he knew that what I am doing, I am perfect in my way. Okay, the people who don't know about the thing that I was talking about, they don't know what I was talking about. So that's why what they will understand. So this thing, from this story we also can learn that um, many times we try to change the society. Okay, like also if you get some ideas, like think, for example, in your school there is a friend of group you have, at your school. But after few days the friends of group, they just started doing the bad things. Means whenever you just enter in the school, they also just take you and they just sit in the back benches, and also and also will meanwhile the classes they talk, they do make fun. And for those people, for those children, you also being your mentally is just was disturbing. So now there is a important thing, that if you want to say them that okay, now we are students, so that's why let's be good, now from today we will focus on our studies. Because if we just always try to make funs at our school while our school was going, then also we also can't learn something from the teachers what they are saying to us. So that's why just become stop and also focus on your studies. If you do this, then the children and also the students, means your friends, they will not accept this. They will say okay, you are also now deciding to make a good marks, but we are not deciding to make a good marks, we will do whatever we want. So at that moment, if you are trying to change all of the students with whom you are now, then you are just doing your time waste, because they will not change. But if you want to move on from that society, if you want to move on from that friends of good, for your better studies, for your better knowledge, for your better education, then you have to just make yourself different from them. Okay, just forget them what are they, what they did, and also just focus on your studies. Don't spend times with them. But if they say you something, then say them hi, hello. So this thing that author of the book he said to us. Yes, I am also talking about the inspiration, and I also got the inspiration for to make video about the inspiration by and also from a book. The book name is The Key to Success. Yes, The Key to Success. This book is very very great, and also I am recently reading this book, and I am getting a number of ideas, a number of keys the book is giving to me and providing me for my better speaking and also for my goals. So I want to share one thing with everyone, that why now my inspiration, what is my inspiration. Okay, sometimes I also just think that what is my inspiration, from where I get inspiration. Okay, you don't have to make another and also a particular source for to take and also for to earn the inspiration. If you're thinking from where we can get inspiration, from the motivational speeches, motivational videos in the YouTube, then you are totally wrong. Okay, inspiration is not a thing to achieve. If you want the inspiration, then you can get from everything in this world. That's why I say that the world is our classroom. Okay, inspiration, you need inspiration. I also can give you inspiration from everything. Like, just try to take an example. I will give you an example. Suppose the smallest insect means the ant. Okay, the ants, they are very very small, but if you just try to understand the ants, if you learn something from the ants, then you also will not understand that how many inspiration and the source and also the amount of inspiration is very high. Okay, like just observe the ant, what a ant do, what a ant does the whole day long. Okay, if you just observe a single ant and also a group of ants, then you will only understand and you will only observe and you will only realize that every single time they are just working. Okay, I don't ever have seen an ant resting and also sleeping, making fun with their friends. No, every time they're researching and they are just collecting the foods and also they're preparing themselves for the winter. Yes, in the winter also the ant just they work, but in the summertime, like this time, they are just going near and they are then searching food, they are just storing. So that's why a simple ant also can give you the inspiration, can give you the motivation. But now it is depend on you how you will take it. So just also try to understand. I also always say and I always share with everyone that in this world everything is yours. Okay, never stop learning, because life never stop teaching. This simple quote, that life never stops teaching. How life teaching us? By this simple thing. Okay, by the some incidents, by the small mistakes we are doing, the environment also teach us, and also our background and our family members, they always teach us. But this learning is different from the inner, like formal learning. Okay, what is the formal and what is the informal? Like the formal learning and also the formal education that we get from our school, colleges, and also a number of places means our teaching. But the informal, it means the knowledge that we get from our family members, from the nature, for the environment, from our life, that life teaches us. So just try to understand, try to take that learning and also that thing. And also I want to share that I also will share you one thing. Now I am making this video, I also few days I don't get any type of topics. But yesterday when I was just scrolling and also watching some dresses on Meesho, then I suddenly saw a very beautiful shirt on Meesho. Then I also just was I the shirt was very beautiful, and I also liked that shirt. So that's why I went to my father, and then I said that father, this shirt is very beautiful, and it is also in our budget, it is very low budget. So that's why can you please bring me the shirt, and also can you please give me and also buy the shirt for me. Then my father, he decided, thought for a little bit moment, and then after thinking something, he also just said to me, okay, I will give you, but I am also giving you a challenge. If you can complete and if you just accept the challenge, and then after 1 week I will just give you the shirt. Then I also thought that what for this thing what I have to do for a shirt. Then my father gave me a book, the book that I was talking about. The book was my keys to success. Okay, keys to success. And then at that moment I also said, so okay, it is a book, so what I have to do? And then he said, and he answered to me, you don't have to do anything, there are a number of chapters in this book, so take the books and every day you have to read one chapter. Then I said, okay, if I read one chapter, then, and then he said, okay, you don't have to do anything, just read one chapter and then just complete this book in 1 week. Then I said, okay, it's very easy. So after a few moments I just come back again and I said that what is about the proof? Okay, I am reading or I am not reading, how you will understand that? And then he said that you also have to make the videos of it. Just don't do anything, just read the book, understand it, and also just share the topic with your audience. Then I said, whoa, it's very nice. And then at the night also we discuss about it, how I will do it. He also that make it for me more easier. Okay, more easily I also can just do this work. Just I will take one topic like the inspiration. This inspiration topic also I have got from the book, The Key to Success. So that's why just take one chapter and then make the videos. So now that's why I am making today. So this simple challenge, the simple short give me the motivation for to complete a whole book, for to read a whole book. So that's why I say everything is giving to you inspiration every day. But if you are not using and if you are not taking that inspiration, then you are just losing many opportunities, many times, and also you are just wasting everything. So just everything, you don't have to do anything. Just take challenges. Challenges gives us a lot of inspiration, and inspiration is also in you. If you want, then you also can get the inspiration. You don't have to do anything, just close your eyes and imagine that what was your past. Okay, just imagine and think about your past, what you have did, all of the problems, all of the situation, think about that. Okay, many people they have a very difficult past, so that's why just think about the past, and when you will just recall your past days, then also you will get a simple motivation that I call the inspiration. And when also our future is also a very big inspiration for us, just close your eyes and also think about the goals, think about your dreams becoming true. So when you will just think about your future, when you will see a good life, then that hunger, and also that hungry of the good life, good dreams, they will give you an inspiration. So inspiration, it's very easy to get, but if you don't understand the inspiration, then it will be very bad for you. And also I want to share with everyone that there are two kind of inspiration in our life. One is a positive inspiration, one is a negative inspiration. This topic that I'm going to talk about, they are very easy, but if you can understand it, you also will do a lot and also very big things in your life. Like what is the negative inspiration and what is the positive inspiration. I always say that in this world, everything, every word, and every single object, every single thing has two parts, has two ways to go and also move on with. One is a positive part, one is a positive way, and the another one is a negative way. So inspiration also have the same, but now has the same. So now the question is that how and what are they. So now I will understand you the topic with and also by a very short and a very beautiful thinking, and also a very beautiful story. So a few days ago, not so very long, there were two brothers, okay, but the difference is was the brothers, their backgrounds, their situation, and also they was from a same family, but in their future one brother was very big and also very rich brother, but the another brother, he was a very poor brother. Okay, so that's why we will just make the names of the rich brother and the poor brother. But now the question is how. Okay, their family was also same, their childhood was same, their backgrounds was same, and their situation was also same, but in their future one became very rich, but the another was same like his childhood time. But now the question is why and how it just have done. So now an interviewer, one day, an interviewer saw the two brothers on an occasion, and then the interviewer took a microphone and the interviewer went to the poor brother, means the first of all the poor brother, and then the interviewer asked to the poor brother that, hi, I am an interviewer, I am taking your interview, but now I have some few questions from the audience, that your brother is so very rich brother, but why you are so poor, why you are so in this situation, you don't have your own houses, you are living at your brother's house, and also you don't have the like monies to cash and also monies to just spend properly. So what is the thing, why you are in this situation now, but your brother is very like a rich brother. Then the poor brother, he said one thing, he said his childhood story, that we was not like that, our father was like that, everything is for our father, the fault was in our father. Then the interviewer that how. Then the poor brother, he said that many years ago when we were children, our father who did a lot of bad things, he used to drink a lot, and whenever he would come at our house, he would tease us and also he would torture us, and he always went near and there with his friend, he would just make fun and also do a lot of bad jobs and bad works. So for that, for my father, I also did not get the good education, so that's I also became like my father. Nowadays I can't do any type of works, my father was that, so that's why I also was that. If I belong from a good like family, then also nowadays I could do a lot of works, but my for my father, I also nowadays I cannot do anything. And something also, at that moment the interviewer got the answer from the poor brother, and then the interviewer went to the rich brother, okay, means the rich brother, the billionaire brother. At that moment the interviewer asked the same question, that what makes you the rich brother, your brother is not so rich but you are so rich, what is the matter, why this difference is. Okay, your the brothers, your situation was same, your background the same, your family was same, all of the things that happened with all of you, they were was same, but what was the difference that make you both different. Okay, at that moment the rich brother, he also gave the same answer, but the same answer was half. Like he also said that our father also was a bad father, like he did not spend time with us, and also he was always, he used to drink, he used to just make a lot of bad jobs. But this thing inspired me. And then the interviewer said that how this thing inspired you. Then the brother said, means the rich brother, he said, like this a little situation, that thing with our father, this bad things, bad work, it just made our father totally, like our father is just in its control. Our father also there, he can't do good things, and also did not spend with time with us. So I just took the inspiration positively. I thought that I will do something in my life which will change everything. Okay, so that's why from that day I am working on myself. I know that I also will not get any type of support from my back. My backbone is very weak, but I was just doing work in myself and also with my power. And then the interviewer also got his answer from the two brothers. And then uh, just I want to share, and from this story I will just share one thing with everyone, that one is a positive inspiration, one is a negative inspiration. Okay, the two brothers, they got the same inspiration, their source of inspiration, their source of motivation was same, but how they were taking the motivation and also the inspiration, it was different only. Yes, the one brother, means the poor brother, he also took the inspiration in a negatively way. Like my father was that, so I also will do the same. But the another brother, who was the rich brother, he said that no, my father was that, it not mean that I also will do the same. I will be the different. I understood the situation, and for that's why I am here now. So everything is same now. Also, as you can see, now I am just talking and also I am speaking, but suddenly I saw a very beautiful art of nature, a art of God, like as you can see in this stream. I also think, I hope that you also are watching and you can see very easily that this is a very beautiful tree. But in this tree and also on this tree, many, like a various and also a new kind of nest are there, as you can see. Okay, mostly we also see nests of birds in the trees and also on the branches of the trees, for with the help of some sticks, with the help of some things, they also make their nest very very casually, very normally. But these kinds of birds, they also just make their nest differently. Their making style of nest, it's very and totally different. Like as you can see, it is the tree, and also on the leaves, on the branches of the tree, many simple nests are just hanged on. Okay, the nest is also just hanging, and I don't know what and how they are making it. It's very very powerful, and also for, and also in a very big storm, if you're thinking that if a very big storm come, if a heavy rain comes, then also all of the nest, it will break down. But no, that will not break. Okay, everything has a good way, has a positive way. Okay, so that's why you also can see I am also just confusing what I will speak, but I am just trying to see you. Okay, on this nest there are also some small holes are there, from where, means it is the gate of the nest. From there the birds, they just go in and come out. I think that there also should be some, the like birds, babies are there. So this thing I want to share with everyone, so you also can get a lot of inspiration from this simple nest, from these birds, how they are doing work. Okay, they are also preparing and they are making their safety for the storm and also from the rains. Nowadays it is the rainy season, so that's why they are making. But after few days they will go from all of the nest for the winter, and they will go and make their nest on another side. So in this world nothing is impossible. I think that these birds, they also can make their nest on the like trees. So that's why they just thought and they are making this type of trees. The birds, they are small, and we also one of them, and one of this nest in our house. So it was the inspiration. So guys, I want to share with everyone that life is very big, the world is very big. So from where you are can learn, from where you can get inspiration, just take it. It will be very helpful for you. So it was the today's video. If you like this video, then also I think that this video need one like, and also this channel need one subscribe. Yes, your one like, one subscribe, and also one comment give me a lot of motivation. So if you also can give me that motivation, that also will inspire me a lot. So guys, bye bye. I'll see you in the next video, another video. To a great man, nothing is little. Remember, everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. So bye bye. Just get inspiration from everything, like me.